Congratulations kay Kakay. Sayang, ba't ka nag-asawa agad? Hindi ka maging Miss Universe.
Well, he said, give me some love, give me some love, give it all. His breath really said,
Ate Jam.
tuxedo black,
Ate Jam.
1969. Well, he said, give me some love, give me some love, give it all. His filthy fingers said,
Sa akin pinakamahal dito.
give it. Well, he said, give me some love, give me some love, give it all. He's lazy, I said, oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, he said, give me some love, give me some love, give it all. Give me some love, give me some love, give it all. He said, give me some love, give me some love, give it all. Give me some love, give me some love, give it all. Alright, give it to me. Yeah. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Kay, congrats dahil ikaw ay kasal na. Ito talaga yung hinihintay namin na mag-asawa ka na.
Give me some love, give me some love, give it all. Give me some love, give me some love, give it all.
I've always been the quiet one, and I truly believe na sapat na ang buhay ko ng mag-isa. Binakuran ko ang puso ko ng napakataas, na akala ko wala nang makakatawid pa. But when you came, I met you at church in 2019. Tutoy pa ang tingin ko lang sa'yo.
every single day.
Yung pag-iwas ko ng tiro. Pag nahuhuli mo akong nakatingin sa'yo. At yung tuwang hindi ko maipaliwanag noong pumayag kang sumama sa akin paglalabas para kumain. Doon palang naramdaman ko na ang effort mo to conquer all shyness.
You make me wanna live this life to
Dahil
the
nga ikaw ang first boyfriend ko, ikaw ang nagturo sa akin. You taught me that love isn't just about feeling good. It's about standing together through everything.
time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my
In
eyes.
God's grace and perfect time, on July 2022, na maging official tayo. Di ko malimutan ang saya at kapanatagan ng naramdaman ko. Parang lahat ng puzzle pieces ng buhay ko sa wakas ay ibuwan.
Horses, what a bliss.
Gayan lang. Nagsalita si JJ, tahimik ka. Tumahimik siya, salita ka naman. Ang sikreto ng mahabang buhay ng isa.
This life to the
Lahat ng paghihintay, lahat ng palihim na pasulyak, lahat ng gabing puyat tayo sa Diyos, lahat ng dasal ko sa Kanya, lahat yun ay may sagot na.
hope that you get kind.
Kay Lord nang magkasama at papalakasin natin ang isa't isa. I promise to honor you, to learn from you as my husband. Susuportahan kita sa pagdinig mo sa magiging panalin natin, and I will respect you and praise you for the man you are and the man you are becoming.
You make me understand.
You also care for me at napaka-sweet mo pa. Naalala ko pa noon, binibigyan mo ako ng food na may love notes and flowers. I love the way you make me feel I'm important.
You make me
I
understand.
promise to love you with everything I have. Ako yung asawa na mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Dadamahin kita sa magagandang araw.
Pangako na alagaan ko ang puso mo, ang bawat pangarap mo, at bawat ngiti mo. Aalagaan ko ang ating pamilya at sisiguraduhin kong sa lahat ng laban ng buhay.
I was feeling hopeless.
Pangakong di magsasawang paglaanan ka ng oras, atensyon at pagmamahal. Dahil sa bawat sandaling kasama kita, mas lalong nagiging makulay at makabulang ang buhay.
And when life brings storms, I will hold your hand and we will trust that God is in control.
Doesn't matter where I am, I follow the voices in.
Pangako ng patuloy tayong sasamba at magpupuri sa Diyos na siyang sentro ng ating relasyon dahil alam kong sa Kanya nagsimula ang lahat at sa Kanya tayo patuloy na magiging.
Glorious, I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time.
And for loving me so much, I love you. In Jesus' name, I make this vow. To God be the glory now and forever.
Ups and downs I've been through, everything just makes sense with you. No, nothing's impossible, I feel unstoppable. You're
The Bible
the
says,
light.
therefore what God has joined together, let no one separate. Today I give myself to you. I promise to love you as Christ loved the church, to walk this path with you, and to keep God at the center of everything we
I
do.
know that you are glorious.